Welcome to 5046 Forest River Way in Kalamazoo. This home sits on 2 acres, has an all-sports lake and an in-ground pool. This 2-story walkout has over 5,500 finished square feet with 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. The owners have done many upgrades, including a new deck, new screened-in porch, upgrades to the gourmet kitchen, new roof, and more. If you're looking for move-in ready, then get ready, because this is it. Come on in and take a look.